Kia ora tātou, ko hui anui te maunga ko te wairo hōpupu hō ningi ningi mā tenga rei tawa, ko kahu te hapu, ko te rehina te marae, ko Anaru Ratapu toka ingoa. So I was asked to do a quick little video on how important Pepeha is. Pepeha is very important to us as Māori. It connects us to this whenua. It creates an identity for us as well. So where I work in here, we work with rangatahi Māori, and well, I can say probably about 89% of our kids, our rangatahi, don't know their Pepeha. So one of the things that we've done in our program is making sure that our rangatahi know their Pepehas. So they do a training on Pepeha. Our team helps them create their Pepeha, teach them how to do a bit of research on Pepeha as well. So that's one thing that we start with every day is Pepeha. They get up and they deliver their Pepeha every day, and if they're rangatahi Pākehā, it's the same thing. We help them create their own Pepeha, and every day, every morning before they start program, they do their Pepeha. So that's how important we see Pepeha, because we implement it into our programs, and it's quite important that they know where they're from and how they connect it to this whenua. So yeah, he reo ora whānau.